Well, today we got to do little things. You know, the little things that need to be done that you keep putting off. Oh, this wind. Well, we need a hose. So first off, I need to get my pressure washer out, and hopefully the deep freeze this last winter didn't screw it up. First thing we need to work on is this push mower here. I'm gonna go ahead and use the pressure washer and get it all cleaned up. Well, let's hope this thing will start. So you remember, turn it on, put the choke on, restart. Well, we'll let that dry out for a while. Well, since I don't have my pump, I don't know where it went. To pull the oil out of here, I'll just have to turn it on its side and let it all drain out. While that oil's draining, let's see what the air filter looks like in this beast. Let's see here. Oh, it doesn't look all that bad, but might as well go ahead and get a new one. Well, let's have a look at this spark plug in here. That came out easy. Well, that don't look too bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a new plug and a new filter. Now I'm gonna tell you a little secret, okay? And don't you tell anyone out there. But you know that last video I did where I changed the oil in this lawnmower? That is the last oil change that I've ever done in this lawnmower. Yeah, I've been very negligent. Got the oil and gas drained out, took the blade off and sharpened it, put a new air filter in there and a new spark plug. Now he's got to put oil and gas in it and see if this thing will start up. Okay, this beast here says it takes 15 ounces. So this here comes with 18 ounces. Pour a lot of it in there. Okay, how many ounces we got left? A tad bit more, just a tad. Probably about that right there. Now, shows it's full. Now let's put some gas in this thing. Oh, I hate these jugs, but that's not all the way full. But I gotta make sure it's gonna start. Well, I'm gonna do what they say to never do, and that's to start your lawnmower inside. Probably gonna make a bunch of dust, but. Well, crap. Okay, I took the breather off, and I probably need to drain the old gas in this bowl right here. But I can't find my mirrors, that I can look under there to see, how big that thing might be. So here's a Piddler pro tip. Take your phone, put it on selfie mode. Then you can look under there and see what it is. It looks about like a ½ inch. Am I right? Oh my gosh, I'm right. Okay, I'm gonna loosen this up. There goes some old gas. So let me back this up. I'm gonna set it down. Put a towel down here. I need to clamp the intake hose, then let all the gas drain out of that bowl. So I know the old one's out. This doesn't have the gas shut off on it. Okay, we're down to a drip. There we go. Let me get everything reassembled and let's see if it'll start. Okay. Number 2, let's give this a try. Come on, come on. Well, the lawnmower's done. Let's go check on the sprayer now. Okay. I looked up the serial number on that push mower. It's made by Troy-Bilt. I think it was manufactured in 2014. So pretty much that push lawnmower is 11 years old and it still runs. Okay, here's my sprayer. Normally I keep this inside and I forgot to put it inside last year, so I don't know if the big freeze busted the pump on it or not, but we'll find out. Let me get this electrical here. There we go. I ran a wire all the way to the back here. Then I got a switch that I put in on the dash. And I just plug it in here. There we go, some dirt got in it. Now we just close it up here. Let's go put some water in it and see if it's gonna run or not. So let's get some water in here. Grab my hose here. Put it in there. Make sure the drain thing's tight. I've done this before where I filled it up and it was just running out the draining port. Okay, 5 gallons. Now I gotta go start it so I can turn it on. Well, I heard it running. Let's see. Well, that works. Let's clean up the tractor and put some grease and those zerks on that thing. Did I really need to wash the bucket out because it's going to get dirty again? Yeah, for me I have to wash the bucket out. Did the tractor really need washed? Not really. All the rain and snow that we've been having in the last couple months, it cleaned it up pretty good, but it doesn't clean up underneath, so that's what I've basically cleaned it for, is to get that cleaned up. Now we'll let this dry, and I'll go around and grease all these little grease zerks. Well, believe it or not, folks, spring is here. You know how I know? Because I'm fighting off wasps and bees. And I've already had one tick this year, the other day. And I haven't even been in the woods and got ticked, so I don't know. But spring is here. You know, you're supposed to grease these every time you use your tractor, but I just don't do it. Because there's so much grease already in there, but maybe if I was doing hard work on this, I would probably, I'd probably grease it a lot more. And there is 2 sides to this, so they say grease it until you see the grease come out of it. I don't know what I do. Well, there goes the propper over me. Okay, grease coming out there. Yeah, it's just a single prop engine. There's actually an airport not too far from here. A lot of planes fly out of there. Now, believe it or not, there's one more on here, and it's all the way under there. Oh, man. Well, this is my tractor. I don't think it's sexy or anything like that, but it gets the job done. Well, thanks for coming along with me with my journey of getting the little things done around here. I needed to get that lawnmower going. I needed to make sure my sprayer works so I can spray for weeds. And I got to make sure this here's going and up and running and greased up so I can move trees and everything with it. And I still got more to do. I know I got to take some metal down to the scrap place, and now I need to weed eat and stuff around here, but I'm just going to leave you guys there. Well, hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video, hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until the next video, see ya!